That is why I am giving you this.
I don't understand.
I could never reveal your true inner animal spirit. It was always up to you. Cynthia, Jason, your spirit is the rabbit. No matter what obstacles are put in front of him, the rabbit will spread, burrow, and find a way to create his home.
Thank you.
Lucy, Joseph, for you,
Charlie, what are you doing?
the wolf. The wolf is by nature a pack animal, and one of the few proud members of the animal kingdom that mates for life. Congratulations. Hello, Jane. Welcome, Jennifer.
What are you letting Charlie do to you?
For you,
Y'all nasty.
the noble honeybee. The honeybee is committed.
Oh
And
yeah, I
though
caught
it may
you.
fly from flower to flower,
Look at
collecting
you.
the sweet sticky nectar, it has no choice
Y'all
but
are
to take
weird.
the hive. Congratulations.
Thank you. Big ass bee.
Finally, Ronnie and David, I have thought long and hard about this. I could not decide with my mind. I had to open my soul to the animal spirits. And finally,
The buildup's killing me, bro.
nothing can stop us. Be honest for your marriage. Be honest for your children. Be honest for love.
Thank you, Marcel.
Ah, ah.
You can take this ass yours.
And now you may spend the rest of your trip enjoying the island. Please feel free to make it into your own personal sandals. And now, jet skis! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Hey, what's happening?
I sure miss you guys.
I miss you.